Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add subtitles to your video.
'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in the hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there.
Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, drag your voiceover to the timeline. Now in Filmora 11 we have an option that you can automatically transcribe the voiceover. Just click on this icon and you will have all automatically done. Then drag your footage below it. Adjust it right. Then to make it like a subtitle, add the black color below the text and above the footage. Make sure to adjust it to every text differently. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.